Hey there, welcome to Tech Product. Are you looking to streamline your business checkout process with a fast, reliable, and cost-effective printing solution? Today, we are bringing you our ultimate guide to the top 5 best thermal receipt printer models on the market right now. Let's get started. Let's begin with number 5, the Milestone Thermal Receipt Printer. The Milestone Thermal Receipt Printer is a smart and reliable tool that helps you manage orders efficiently in busy environments. This 80mm thermal printer from Milestone stands out with its clever audio-visual alerts and custom RGB lighting that keep you informed at a glance. You can assign unique colors to standby, working, and error modes, and choose from 3 dynamic light effects including ambient, breathing, or static. This way you never miss an order even during peak rushes, and you can easily manage all settings through the web control panel without needing a PC. The printer offers ultra-flexible setup and broad compatibility. You can wall mount it to save counter space or place it on any desk. It connects seamlessly via Ethernet, USB, and RJ11, and works flawlessly with both Windows and macOS systems using standard ESC-POS commands. Built for speed and durability, it delivers 200 mm per second high-speed printing and 203 dots per inch resolution for crisp text and perfectly scannable barcodes. The printhead has a lifespan of at least 150 kilometers, and the 1.5 million cycle auto steel cutter is designed to handle high-volume use. High-temperature protection ensures reliable performance even in demanding kitchen or retail environments. As an ink-free thermal receipt printer, it helps slash your running costs by eliminating the need for pricey ink, toner, or ribbons. The one-touch open cover and large-capacity 80 by 80 mm paper design reduce refills and downtime. The grease-resistant high-strength ABS plastic body wipes clean instantly, making maintenance quick and easy in busy spaces. Its compact size of 6.7 inches by 4.8 inches by 4.8 inches allows it to fit seamlessly in tight areas, making it ideal for restaurants, retail stores, cafés, food trucks, hotels, clinics, and offices. It also supports multi-language printing, making it a versatile and dependable point-of-sale partner for any business type. Overall, the Milestone Thermal Receipt Printer combines smart audio-visual alerts, flexible connectivity, high speed and durable performance, ink-free operation, easy maintenance, and a compact design into one efficient and user-friendly solution. It helps keep your transactions flowing smoothly and your operations running without interruption. Up next at number 4 is the Rongta Thermal Receipt Printer. The Rongta Thermal Receipt Printer is a fast and reliable tool that helps businesses handle high-volume printing needs with ease. This compact thermal printer delivers clear and professional receipts at a speed of 250 mm per second, allowing it to produce up to 43 receipts per minute. This makes it perfect for busy kitchens, restaurants, and retail environments where quick printing is essential. It offers multiple connectivity options including USB, LAN, and serial ports, so it integrates smoothly with various devices and systems. The printer works with a wide range of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, giving you flexibility no matter what setup your business uses. The high-quality 203 dpi resolution ensures every receipt, invoice, or order ticket comes out sharp and professional. You do not need ink, toner, or ribbons, which helps keep ongoing costs low while maintaining excellent print quality over time. The durable print head can handle up to 150 kilometers of continuous printing, making it well-suited for demanding environments like restaurant kitchens. The compact design saves valuable counter space and features an easy clamshell paper loading system that lets you replace receipt paper quickly. It can also be wall-mounted to further optimize your workspace. Built for high-volume use, the Rongta Thermal Receipt Printer includes an auto cutter for clean, efficient operation and supports cash drawer driving for seamless point-of-sale integration. Overall, the Rongta Thermal Receipt Printer combines speed, reliability, and practical features into one affordable package that meets the needs of small businesses. Its robust performance in different temperatures and humidity levels, along with flexible connectivity, makes it a dependable choice for restaurants, retail shops, and other fast-paced operations. The thoughtful design and strong construction ensure it delivers consistent results day after day. Now, let's move on to number 3, the Vretti Thermal Receipt Printer. The Vretti Thermal Receipt Printer is a reliable and efficient tool that helps businesses manage orders and transactions smoothly. This 80mm thermal receipt printer from Vretti is designed for practical use in busy environments like shopping malls, supermarkets, kitchens, restaurants, retail stores, hotels, and canteens. Its wall-hanging design makes it easy to mount on the wall using the 2 hanging holes on the bottom, which saves valuable counter space and keeps your workspace organized. The easy maintenance features make it simple to keep the printer running smoothly even during peak hours. It supports multiple interfaces including USB, serial, and LAN port, so you can choose the connection that best fits your setup and meet different operational needs. The printer uses paper width of 80mm and has a print width of 72mm for clear and professional receipts. The Vretti Thermal Receipt Printer offers wide compatibility with Windows, Mac, and Linux systems based on ESC-POS print commands. It does not support Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connections, focusing instead on stable wired performance. You get a complete set in the box including the thermal receipt printer, USB disk, adapter, power cord, user manual, and 80mm test paper. This makes it easy to start using right away, even for beginners. High efficiency comes from the fast printing speed of 260mm per second and the long-lasting auto cutter that can handle up to 1.5 million cuts. The built-in direct thermal printing technology means you do not need ribbons or ink, which saves money and reduces maintenance over time. The overall design is sturdy and practical for daily use in high-volume environments, helping your business run more smoothly with reliable receipt printing and minimal downtime. Overall, the Vretti Thermal Receipt Printer combines wall-hanging convenience, multiple interface support, wide system compatibility, fast printing speed, durable auto cutter, and ink-free operation into one efficient and cost-effective solution. It is a solid choice for businesses that need dependable receipt printing every day. Just one step away from the top, at number 2, is the Volcora Thermal Receipt Printer. The Volcora Thermal Receipt Printer is a fast and reliable tool that helps businesses handle high-volume printing needs with ease. This thermal receipt printer delivers quick and efficient printing at a speed of 260mm per second, so you can produce receipts, orders, and tickets without delays or paper jams. The automatic cutter is built to last through heavy use with up to 1.5 million cuts, making it suitable for busy restaurants, kitchens, and retail environments. It uses direct thermal printing technology, which means you do not need ribbons or ink, helping keep ongoing costs low while maintaining clear and sharp prints at 203 dpi resolution. The Volcora printer offers USB and Ethernet interfaces along with cash drawer ports for seamless integration into your point-of-sale system. The Ethernet connection supports a wide range of systems including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, VirtualCom, Android, Raspberry Pi, and iOS, giving you good flexibility across different setups. You can mount the printer on the wall using the 2 hanging holes at the bottom, which helps save counter space in tight kitchens or retail areas. The one-button open cover and spacious paper warehouse make loading new rolls quick and simple, so maintenance stays hassle-free even during peak hours. The Volcora Thermal Receipt Printer combines speed, durability, and practical design into one affordable package that meets the demands of small businesses. Its robust performance, easy operation, and multiple connectivity options make it a dependable choice for restaurants, grocery stores, clothing shops, and other fast-paced operations where reliable receipt printing is essential. The thoughtful features help streamline your workflow and keep your business running smoothly day after day. And our best overall choice at number 1 is the Star Micronics Thermal Receipt Printer. The Star Micronics Thermal Receipt Printer is a fast and reliable tool that helps businesses print receipts quickly and efficiently. This thermal receipt printer from Micronics delivers high-speed printing of 43 receipts per minute at 250 millimeters per second, making it perfect for busy environments where every second counts. The easy-to-set-up USB connection means you can simply plug and print without complicated installation. The USB serial number feature ensures your PC detects the TSP-143-3U on its Windows platform using any USB port, so you can get started quickly and reliably. It offers broad compatibility with iOS, Android, and Windows, giving you flexibility across different devices and operating systems. The simple setup process makes it easy to integrate into your existing point-of-sale system or workflow. The drop-in and print clamshell design allows for fast and easy paper loading, saving time during busy periods. The patented decurl function always delivers a flat receipt that looks professional and is easy to handle for customers. The TSP-143-3U USB model is certified with several popular companies including Postmates, Square, Chromebook, and Clover, showing its reliability and wide acceptance in the industry. Its small footprint and embedded power supply help save precious counter space, keeping your workspace clean and organized while still delivering strong performance. Overall, the Micronics thermal receipt printer combines high-speed printing, easy USB setup, broad compatibility, a user-friendly clamshell design, flat receipt output, industry certifications, and a compact build into one dependable and efficient solution. It is a smart choice for businesses that need fast, reliable receipt printing every day. Upgrade your checkout experience and keep your lines moving fast. Check the price link in the description to find the best match for your setup. Please remember to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more awesome reviews and tech recommendations.